How to see who replayed your Snapchat story. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can see who have replayed your Snapchat story. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Snapchat in your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, now to check your story view details, tap on the Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Scroll down a bit and under My Stories, tap on your story that you have added on your account. Here on Snapchat, unfortunately, it does not tell you who have replayed your story, but it does show how many times your story has been replayed and who have viewed it. So here is how you can check. If you navigate to your bottom left corner, there is an eye icon. So tap on it to view the list of the viewers. So under this space, you can see all the list of your viewers. And if someone have replayed your story, a circular arrow will appear next to their name in the viewer list. This indicates that the person have replayed your story. So here in this screen, you will see the total number of views and replays for your story. The replay count includes all instances of people replaying your story, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.